embark number 8. If you look at a number 8, so remember the numbers are very important to me. A number 8 looks like an hourglass. It looks like a woman. It looks like a woman's body, a number 8. So I thought it was very toeval, but not, that number 8 has been chosen to be the oil of self-love, self-worth, and self-confidence. And this journey is going to take us deep, deep into all of the pain and the trauma we are carrying with regards to, I am not good enough. I need to be a size 8. I have to be sexy. I cannot be intimate with the lights on. I don't like myself when I look at myself in the mirror. I'm not impressed with the way that I look in clothes. I don't want to be naked in front of my partner. I don't want to go on the beach in a bathing suit. I constantly compare myself to other females. I feel that I'm not good enough. And then we are going to dive even deeper into the world of why do we pick up weight? Why do we have a constant battle with a bulge? Why are we constantly on a diet? Why are we constantly harming and hurting our bodies? Then we will dive even deeper into the journey going, wat het jou ouma geëet? Wat het jou ma geëet? What is your genetics with regards to what am I eating and how do I perceive food? Do I eat for comfort? Do I eat for control? Then we're going to talk about Princess Diana. So you're all going to go watch The Crown, season 3, that shows where Princess Diana had her eating disorder. So we're going to talk about eating disorders, body dysmorphia, bulimia, anorexia, going over to the opposite of binge eating and obesity. So all of these things are going to be covered in this amazing journey. And I chose it because it's going to run from the 15th of November to the 15th of December, because most people go on holiday this time of the year. And I want all of us to go onto the beach or be by the pool or wherever you are going to go on holiday, or even if you're just going to go Jan Thijs place a karretjie. I want you to enjoy the next 30 days with me, and I want us all to change the way that we see ourselves. The confidence. There's a lack of confidence. There's a lack of esteem. I also decided last night when I had to decide what am I going to wear for all of you. Wat gaan ek vir julle aantrek? As I was going through the Meryl Streep cupboard that consists of 4 colors. Black, navy, white, and this beautiful beige color. You'll see the embark, the website, everything is white and beige. Out of Africa, né? Meryl Streep, that colonial colors. Ek is mal daaroor. My whole house looks like that. My friends all call me Merelkie. And as I was going through the cupboard, I decided, you know what? You don't have a lot of sleeveless outfits. Because as a therapist and as a trauma therapist and as a doula and as a skincare therapist, we were taught always compose yourself, always close off your arms, because you might massage a male client. You don't want to massage them and then the twins fall out, or you don't want to buk by die afspraak boek en dan kyk Gertjie in daar so vir Thelma and Louise. So we were taught to be very professional when we were studying. And jy weet, dit is soos om army toe te gaan, dit slaan vas in jou kop, soos wat jy die knippies in jou hare ook wil sit, en die kort nails. It's just a therapist in me. And I, for years, and I'm going to share all of my experiences on this journey with you, for years I would wear, you can see in all my videos, I wear long sleeve or a cupped sleeve or a sleeve, because I used to look at my arms and go, dis sulke bye-byes. Dis sulke, hulle noem het bye-byes. And I used to look at my arms and I would go, I've tried at the gym, they don't want to cup, they don't want to cut. And I noticed in the last 12 months on the confidence journey that I still perceived my arms as onmooi. I used the word onmooi, onmaar, onlekker, is nou my tale. And then last night, my bestie, he was there with me and we decided, wat gaan ek aantrek? if I want to have esteem, if I want to show confidence, I'm going to sit through this journey without sleeves. And I'm going to show all of you my arms. And I'm going to be proud of my arms. And I am going to be confident in the outfit that I wear. For me, that was important, to practice what I preach. And you all know I go through this journey. So someone finally brought me a real kiki. Kappies in die kop in. Sien julle? Sy is hier so, hallo. And she was telling me, nee, jy kan nie, julle gaan jou arms sien, en dan hang jou titties uit, en ek het net vir gesê, Kiki, sit vir my so. And we are now going to embrace our confidence. We are going to become confident goddesses with a high esteem on this journey. And it's going to be fun. And I'm going to teach all of you van cellulite. En ons gaan nog praat oor hormone. And we are going to dive deep into the world of confidence. But do you know what is the actual purpose of this? What will it take for me to love and accept myself just as I am? Just as Creator made me. To look in the mirror and to say, ek is goed genoeg. I am enough for me. And once we can integrate that, once we can become that, once that energy flows through that, ek is genoeg, ek is goed genoeg, I'm enough, I'm good enough. Once that starts integrating, it starts emanating. And once it starts to emanate, that is when things start changing. That is when you truly embrace the journey of the number 8, the esteem, the infinite, empowered, confident goddess. Enjoy the journey.